If you own a portable generator or an RV generator, the worst time to find out something's wrong with it is when the power goes out. Every year here in New Mexico, we see the same situation. Someone pulls their generator or RV out before a camping trip or during a summer outage and it won't start. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 warning signs your generator needs service before summer so you don't get stuck without power when you need it most. This is Jennings, shop foreman of power generation service here in New Mexico. We've been servicing generators for over 30 years and we see a lot of the same problems over and over again with portable units. Whether you're running a portable unit from brands like Cummins, Generac, Honda, or Yamaha, these warning signs apply to almost all small generators. Let's start with the most common issue we see. Maybe it takes 10 pulls instead of 2 to get your generator started, or maybe it only starts briefly and then dies. This could be caused by old fuel or a dirty, gummed up carburetor. In warm weather, gasoline can start degrading in as little as 30 days. This is especially true for fuel containing ethanol, as it not only attracts moisture, but also leaves a gum-like residue. When your unit's fuel is more than 60 days old, we recommend replacing it with a fresh tank. If this doesn't resolve hard starts, bring it in for a carburetor inspection. Instead of running smoothly, the engine speeds up and slows down over and over. That usually means the engine isn't getting the right air-fuel mixture, which again is often caused by fuel problems or a particularly clogged carburetor. If you hear that surging, it's a good idea to get it serviced or repaired before putting a heavy load on it. A lot of people buy a generator for emergencies, put it in the garage and forget about it. When that happens, several things can go wrong. The fuel degrades, battery dies, carburetors clog, and rubber components dry out. If your generator has been sitting for an extended period, it's a good idea to have it checked before you actually need it. Emergency generators are only useful if you know they'll work at a moment's notice. A lot of portable generators work hard, especially during long outages or when running RV air conditioners. If the oil hasn't been changed recently, it can break down, become dirty, and even accumulate fuel or moisture. This often results in excess engine wear or unpredicted shutdowns. All portable generators should have their oil checked every time you use them and changed at the manufacturer recommended intervals. This is usually 25 to 100 run hours or every 6 months. Even though your generator used to run your RV air conditioner or microwave just fine, it may not be able to handle the same load after a few seasons. There are a few common components that can cause this, such as fuel pumps, filters, carburetors, valve settings, or worn-out ignition components. Catching these early can prevent a disappointing camping trip or backup failure during an outage. If your generator is showing any of these signs, it's a great idea to get it serviced before summer storm season and camping season start. If you're in New Mexico, call or visit us at Power Generation Service. We service portable and RV generators every day.